Guess what? It's mail time. Oh my gosh, edition. Also known as wishlist edition. So my partner and I went out this morning for breakfast, and when we came back, there were a lot of packages on the porch. And he just kind of turns to me and he's just like, Renee, what did you do? And I was like, don't look at me. I didn't order anything. It was all from y'all. So thank you. First one says, my washing machine thanks you. My dishwasher thanks you. I thank you. I even think my cats thank you. You are loved. Have lots of fun, from Barbara. Yes, I'm so excited for this one. Adorable alien kawaii monsters from outer space. A bunch of really cute little different aliens. I'm so excited for these. Thank you, Barbara. Number 2. Well, this one did not have a gift note or a packing slip or anything included inside, so whoever sent me the Botanical Garden reverse coloring book, thank you. This is really cool. It's a reverse coloring book, which means they give you all the colors and you draw the lines around it. I've never had one of these, so I'm really excited about it. And I really love the color palette of a lot of these, so I am stoked about it. Thank you to whoever sent me this one. Number 3. Enjoy your gift. My hubby and I love watching and learning from your content. Be the most beautiful / authentic you for you. We love you. From Christopher. Ooh, I'm so excited for this one. So I realized that, I don't know if I'm pronouncing this correctly, but Cocowyo? I'm assuming it's Cocowyo. So it's Cocowyo. Their coloring books seem to be some of my favorites so far. They're the ones that have the black pages on the back. The artwork is just immaculate. Oh, I love this one so much. Thank you, Christopher. Number 4, and we're on to the boxes. I appreciate you. Your videos are helpful. Keep up the awesome work, from Deborah. Yes. So this is Spiritual AF. 99 inspirational cards for people who fucking need some inspiration. So not only is this card deck something that I added because I knew it was something that I wanted, but Spiritual AF and I are mutuals on TikTok. So I am so excited to finally own this deck. Plus, I really love Knock Knock brand. You should check their stuff out if you haven't. It's amazing, and this is not an advertisement. I've just been a fan of theirs for years. Thank you, Deborah. Number 5. Well, that's rude of Amazon. I can't read it because it didn't print right and nobody bothered to check it. Thanks, Amazon. There was a receipt thingy in it though, so let me, like a gift receipt. Okay, there's a copy of it in here. Enjoy your gift. Go be the beautiful person you are, from Christopher and Lindsay. And it looks like that is actually the same person who sent me one of the coloring books, and from this note, it sounds like the original one auto-populated their first name. So when it says, my hubby and I love watching and learning from your content, I think that was from Lindsay, not from Christopher. I don't know. Regardless. They're little death head moth earrings. Oh yeah, those are cool. Thank you again to Christopher and Lindsay. And the final package. Is this number 6? Oh, there's multiple things in this box. I haven't seen what they are yet, but I saw that there were multiple things. A little something for each part of the day. Fun / fidgets. Feels. Noodle is a hero. So I already know what one of the things in the box is. And rest. Thanks for all that you do. And then it's got a little less than 3 heart. Fiona. All the things. Yes. Okay, so I saw one of these on TikTok a couple of years ago, and I've wanted one ever since. It's a fidget slug, and it's a rainbow fidget slug. It sounds like a rain stick. I just love the way that they sound when you play with them. They're so cool. Oh yeah, I'm gonna fidget with this forever. Oh yes, Fiona sent me loops. I've been wanting these for so long, and I think these are the ones that are like really low decibels, so it's just for like every day. Loops are the little earbud things that everybody promos. This isn't a promo. They're also supposed to be better for like speech, so like they're not as sound dampening, so that you don't hear too much of your own voice. And I like that they're clear, so that like you can't really tell that I'm wearing them. I love these. I appreciate you, Fiona. Thank you. Oh no, my slug. And finally, Noodle's book. Noodle and the No Bones Day. Rest in peace. It's so cute. Look, it's John and Noodle on the back. Thank you, Fiona. And thank you so, so much to everybody that sent me absolutely anything. I was not expecting to come home to that many packages today. For as much as I've been addressing hate comments recently, I just want to take a second to say that I am so incredibly grateful for the overwhelming majority of you who are actually supportive of me and who do actually care and who do things like send me sensory slugs. Thank you all so, so much. You have no idea how much your support means to me and how much it actually does help.